Okay, now this is third example. Find the following integrals. In that first one is integral of sin x plus cos x into dx. And the second one is integral cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x into dx. Third one is integral 1 minus sin x by cos square x into dx. All are direct standard formulas, right? If you take that first question, so integral of sin x plus cos x into dx. So this can be written as integral sin x into dx and integral cos x into dx. And what is the value of integral sin x dx? That can be written as minus cos x, right? And what is integral cos x dx? That can be written as sin x. Then constant c. Our same value can be written as sin x minus cos x, then constant c. Okay, so this is direct formula, this is also direct formula. Integral sin x dx equal to minus cos x, integral cos x dx equal to sin x. And coming to second question, what is the given value? So cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x into dx, right? What is the first term here? Integral cosecant x into cosecant means cosecant square x dx, right? And coming to second one, that can be written as cosecant x into cot x into dx. Now integral cosecant square x dx can be written as minus cot x. So this is also standard formula. And integral cosecant x cot x dx can be written as minus cosecant x. So this is also standard formula. Then constant c. And coming to third question. So what is the given value here? So integral of 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x into dx, right? Now split both the terms. Okay. So now what is the first term here? So 1 by cos square x into dx and integral minus sin x by cos square x into dx. Then 1 by cos square can be written as secant square. So this is the first value. And coming to second one, so integral, this can be written as sin x by cos x, again 1 by cos x into dx, right? So what is integral secant square x dx? This is also standard formula that can be written as tan x. And coming to second one, sin by cos can be written as tan x and 1 by cos can be written as secant x, then dx. So now it is same tan x and integral secant x into tan x, again that can be written as secant x only, then constant. So here also this is the standard formula, this is also standard formula. So this is the answer for third question. Okay, now example number 4. Find the antiderivative capital F of small f defined by f of x equal to 4x cube minus 6, where f of 0 equal to 3. So this is for unknown constant c value. First we integrate the given function. Okay, we have to integrate the given function. After integrating, then we add one unknown constant c, right? And for finding that unknown constant c value, we can use this condition. F of 0 equal to 3. Means this is the form of f of x. After integrating this small f of x, we get capital F of x. That is the meaning of this one. Okay. Now solution. So what is the given function here? Given that f of x equal to 4x cube minus 6, right? Now integrating on both sides, but I am not writing full value, means full sentence. Simply I am writing IOB, means integrating on both sides. Okay. And here one more condition is given. What is that? F of 0 equal to 3. Now integral f of x into dx. And here integral of 4x cube minus 6 into dx. Clear? Antiderivative is nothing but integration. If we integrate small f of x, then we get capital F of x. Now separate these two functions. 4 into integral x cube into dx. Minus 6 again integral dx. And which form it is? That is the form of integral x power n dx. So that can be written as x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And second formula integral dx equal to x. These are the basic formulas. So here 4 into x power n plus 1 means 3 plus 1. Again 3 plus 1, 6 into x. So integration is completed. Then we add one unknown constant c. And after simplifying this, we get 4 into x power 4 by 4 minus 6x plus c. Now 4 gets cancelled, right? So what is the remaining? X power 4 minus 6x plus c. This is equation number 1. And now what is the given initial condition here? F of 0 equal to 3. What is the meaning of this? This is a form of f of x, na? So now substitute x equal to 0. So put x equal to 0 in equation number 1. Then how to write it? F of 0 equal to 0 power 4, 6 into 0 plus constant. But what is the value of f of 0? That is 3. So it is 0 minus 0 plus c. Now c equal to 3. And finally we substitute c value in this equation number 1. Okay. Now write here. Put c equal to 3 in equation number 1. We get, how to write that value? So f of x equal to 9. So what is the first term? X power 4. Then second term is 6x. Then constant to c. But c is equal to 3. So this is the antiderivative of the given function small f of x. Okay. Okay. Now exercise 7.1. In that first section, find an antiderivative in bracket or integral of the following functions by the method of inspection. So antiderivative is nothing but integration only. Method of inspection means generally we can use that substitution method, but for this it is not required. Direct formulas are there now, we can use that. By using that formula, we find the required value of the given function. Okay. Now if you take first question, so that can be written as integral sine 2x into dx, right? And which form it is? This is the form of integral sine ax dx, correct? Yeah? What is the value of integral sine ax dx? Minus 1 by a cos ax. Then what is the value of a? A is 2. So minus 1 by 2 cos 2x, then constant to 6. And coming to second question, this is first one, right? And second one, integral cos 3x dx. So this is also standard formula. What is integral cos ax dx? That can be written as 1 by a into sin ax. So here also we can add constant, but that is formula. Because of that reason I am not going to add that constant. Okay. Now if you take this one, so here cos ax. So what is the value of a? 3. Then 1 by a sin ax means 1 by 3 sin 3x. So again constant to c. And coming to third question, that is integral e power 2x into dx. And what is integral e power ax dx? This can be written as e power ax by a, right? So what is the value of a here? That is 2. So e power 2x by 2, then constant to c. And coming to fourth one, so that is integral of ax plus b whole square dx. So without using that inspection method, okay, then we can simplify this one. Generally this is the form of a plus b whole square, na? Right? Otherwise if you want to apply this inspection method, then it is very simple. Compared to the general method, inspection method is very simple. So what we'll be doing here, just we'll substitute that bracket value is equal to t. And now differentiating on both sides, right? Now derivative of x is 1 and derivative of constant is 0. So here variable is x, then write here dx. Then it is dt, variable t. Now this can be written as dx equal to dt divided by a. So how to write this one? Integral, this whole bracket value is t. Then power 2 is t square. And what is the value of dx? That is dt divided by a. Now 1 by a, again integral t square into dt means we use same formula. Same formula means in previous question we used one formula. What is that? Integral x power n dx formula. That is n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here it is x, variable x, but here it is t. Okay, so that is only the difference. Remaining formula is same, right? Now how to write it? 1 by a and a t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus constant. So how to write this one? It is 3. 3 into a, that is 3, right? It is constant to c. So 1 by 3a, got it? 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 into a. And coming to this, t cube, right? Then constant, na? But what is the value of t? So right here 1 by 3a and the t means ax plus b. Then whole cube plus constant to c. Clear? And coming to fifth question. So I am writing here integral of sine 2x minus 4 into e power 3x into dx, right? So what is the first term? Integral sine 2x into dx. Minus 4 integral e power 3x into dx. Again same formula, integral sin ax dx equal to minus 1 by a into cos ax. But what is the value of a here? 2. So minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. And that is the form of integral e power ax. Na? Now what is the value of a here? A equal to 3. And this is the formula, e power ax by a, where a equal to 3. So 4 into e power 3x by 3, then constant to 6. That is the answer. Okay, now this is second section, means section 2. Find the following integrals in exercises 6 to 20. In that, this is sixth question. First we do one thing, just we separate both the functions, okay? Then here it is 4. So first write given value, what is that? 4 into e power 3x plus 1 into dx. So 4 into integral e power 3x dx is the first term. And integral 1 into dx is dx. And both are standard forms only. Na? Integral e power ax dx can be written as e power ax by a. And what is integral dx? That is x, right? So how to write this one? 4 into e power 3x by 3. And integral dx is x, then constant. So this can be written as 4 by 3 into e power 3x, then x, then constant to c. Okay, now seventh question. Integral of x square into 1 minus 1 by x square, right? So x square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx. First multiply these two terms, okay? So what is that first term? X square into 1 is x square, then dx, and minus integral x square, and it is 1 by x square, then dx. Now both are gets cancelled, right? And here that is integral x power n dx formula. Na? What is the value of this one? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1, right? And n is 2. Then x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, right? Now both are gets cancelled. We get integral dx, that is x, then constant to c. And how to write this one? X cube by 3 minus x plus constant. So that is 8th question. Integral of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So integral of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Now split all those three terms. So what is that first term? A into integral x square dx, b into integral x into dx, and c into integral dx. Again this is a form of integral x power n dx. We use this formula, okay? Then how to write this? A into x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. And again same formula, x means x power 1, where n equal to 1. Then how to write it? X power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So c into integral dx is x. Generally we add one unknown constant c, but the term c is already given, then add d. C is constant, d is also constant, means both are arbitrary constants only, okay? Then how to write it? A x cube by 3, and here b x square by 2, then c x, then d. That is the answer. Okay, now question number 9. So the given value is integral of 2x square plus e power x into dx. Now separate both the terms, okay? So first one 2 into integral x square into dx. Second one is integral e power x into dx. And here 2 into integral x power n dx. Again we use same formula. Then how to write it? x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. And this is direct formula. Integral e power x is e power x, then constant. See. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2 by 3 x cube plus e power x, then constant. See. That is the answer. Now question number 10. So what is the value here? Root x minus 1 by root x whole square into dx, right? Now this is the standard formula. What is that? A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then how to write it? A means root x, b means 1 by root x. Okay. So a square means, again I am writing that, root x minus 1 by root x whole square into dx. Okay. So integral a square means root x whole square minus 2ab, 2 into root x into 1 by root x, plus b square, that is 1 by root x whole square, then dx. Now square root cancelled, remaining value is x. Okay. And here both are gets cancelled, then 2. And here it is 1 by x, then dx. Now separate all the terms. So first one is integral x dx and 2 into integral dx. Then integral 1 by x into dx. Okay. So x is nothing but x power 1. That is the form of integral x power n dx. That can be written as x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And minus 2. What is integral dx? That is standard formula x. And what is integral log x 1 by x dx? That can be written as log of mod of x plus constant. And it is x square by 2 minus 2x plus log of mod of x, then constant. See, that is the answer. Okay, see, 11th question. So what is the given value? Integral of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 divided by x square into dx, right? Now separate all the terms. So what is the first term? X cube by x square. Second one is 5x square by x square. Third one is 4 by x square into dx. So here x square gets cancelled, we get x, then dx. And x square cancelled, 5, then integral to dx, right? And minus 4 into, this can be written as x power minus 2 into dx. 1 by x square can be written as x power minus 2, right? Now this is x power n formula, but n equal to 1. And this is also x power n formula, but n equal to minus 2. And it is integral dx, x direct formula, right? Then how to write it? X power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. 5 into integral dx means x minus 4. X power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, then constant. You see? So this can be written as x square by 2 and 5x minus 4 into x power minus 1 by minus 1, then constant. You see? And again first two terms are same, x square by 2 plus 5x, right? And minus we get plus. Okay. And 4, x power minus 1 can be written as 1 by x. 4 into 1 by x is equal to 4 by x, then constant to c. Okay, now this is 12th question. Integral of x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by square root of x into dx. So first term is x cube divided by root x, that can be written as x power 1 by 2. And coming to second one, 3x by x power 1 by 2. Third one, 4 by x power 1 by 2 into dx. So first one can be written as x power 3 into x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. And second one, 3 constant, to separate that. Okay. Then x into x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. And 4 integral x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. And there is one formula like a power m into a power minus n equal to a power m minus n. Suppose if it is plus, then we get a power m plus n. But it is minus, then minus. Okay. Based on that formula, how to write it? 3 minus 1 by 2. Clear? So this is x power 3 minus 1 by 2 into dx. And here 3 into x means x power 1 minus 1 by 2 again dx, and it is same x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. So integral of x power LCM is 2 na, so 2 3 is 6 minus 1, right, into dx. So 3 into x power again LCM is 2, so 1 into 2 is 2 minus 1, then dx. So 4 into integral x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So integral x power 5 by 2 into dx is the first term. And coming to second term, so integral, so 3 is constant, okay. Then 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 by 2 dx. So 4 into integral x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. So all are in only one standard form, integral x power n dx, right? What is integral x power n dx? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So by using that formula, how to write this first value? So x power n plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1. Then plus 3 into x power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. And coming to last term, 4 into x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Then constant c. So this can be written as 5 plus 2 by 2 means x power 7 by 2. And it is also 7 by 2, right? And 3 into x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. And 4 into x power minus 1 plus 2, that is 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, then constant to c. So 1 by 7 by 2 can be written as 2 by 7 x power 7 by 2. And now 3 into 1 by 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Then x power 3 by 2. And 4 into 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. Then x power 1 by 2, then constant. Okay, now here 3 gets cancelled. First term is same. What is that? 2 by 7 x power 7 by 2. And this one is 2 into x power 3 by 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into x power 1 by 2, then constant 6. That is the final answer. Question number 13. Integral x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 into dx. So integral of x cube x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into dx, right? Now in numerator, in first two terms x square is common. Then we get x minus 1. Again it is x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into dx. Again x minus 1 is common in numerator, okay? So we can write like this also. If x minus 1 is common, what is the remaining? Here coefficient is x square and here it is 1. Then divide by x minus 1. Now both are gets cancelled. Then into dx na. Now split both the terms, means separate both the terms. So first one is integral x square dx and integral 1 into dx is dx. Now this is a form of integral x power n dx. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And integral dx means that is x plus constant to c. So what is integral x power 2 plus 1, that is x cube by 3 plus x plus constant. Question number 14. So the given value is integral of 1 minus x into root x into dx, right? So how to write it? Integral 1 into root x. Root x can be written as x power 1 by 2 and minus x into x power 1 by 2 into dx, okay? And it is integral x power 1 by 2 into dx minus integral. So now this is the formula, a power m into a power m equal to a power m plus n. So x power 1 plus 1 by 2 into dx, and that is integral x power 1 by 2 dx, and 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, then dx. So how to write this? Integral x power n dx, this is also same formula. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, and here x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1, then constant to c. So 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, na? So x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 and x power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2, right? Then constant to c. So this can be written as 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2, right? And minus, it is 2 by 5 x power 5 by 2 plus constant here. If you want to write one more step, just take 2 common, then 2 into 1 by 3, here 1 by 5, that is the answer. Okay, now question number 15. So what is the given value here? Square root of x into 3x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx, right? So 3 constant and root x means x power 1 by 2 into x square dx, and 2 into integral x power 1 by 2 into x into dx, and 3 integral x power 1 by 2 into dx. So a power m into a power n, that can be written as a power m plus n, right? And here 1 by 2 plus 1 into dx. So it is 3 into x power 1 by 2 into dx. So 3 integral 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So it is integral 5 by 2 dx. And second term can be written as 1 plus 2 means 3, na? So 3 by 2 dx, okay? And it is integral x power 1 by 2 into dx. Now this is the form of integral x power n dx, right? So how to write it? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Clear? And here also 2 into n plus 1 by n plus 1. But n is equal to 3 by 2. And here also same formula, n plus 1 by n plus 1. Right? Then constant. So how much it is? 5 plus 2 by 2, 7 by 2, na? So 1 by 7 by 2 can be written as 2 by 7. So 3 into 2 by 7, it is x power 7 by 2. And plus 2 into 3 plus 2 by 2, 5 by 2. 1 by 5 by 2 can be written as 2 by 5. And it is 5 by 2. And again here 3 into, so 3 by 2, right? 1 plus 2 by 2, 3 by 2. 1 by 3 by 2 can be written as 2 by 3. So it is x power 3 by 2, then constant to c. So 3 gets cancelled, right? And it is 6 by 7, x power 7 by 2. So 4 by 5, x power 5 by 2. Then 2 into x power 3 by 2, then constant to c. Okay, now question number 16. So integral of 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x into dx, right? And now 2 into integral x dx, 3 into integral cos x into dx, and integral e power x into dx. All are standard formulas only, na? So x means x power 1. So that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, right? And minus 3 into integral cos x dx is sin x. And what is integral e power x dx? That is e power x, then constant. So how to write it? 2 into x square by 2, right? And minus 3 into sin x, then plus e power x plus constant. Now 2 gets cancelled. What's the remaining? X square minus 3 sin x plus e power x plus constant. Okay, now question number 17. So given value is integral of 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 into root x, then dx. And now 2 constant, na, separate that, then x square dx. And here integral sin x dx, right? And coming to this 5 into integral, that can be written as x power 1 by 2. Now this is the form of integral x power n dx, that can be written as x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 3 into what is integral sin x dx, that can be written as minus cos x, right? And again integral x power n dx formula, n plus 1 by n plus 1. Then constant c. So it is 2 into x cube by 3. Minus half minus plus 3 cos x, right? And 5 into, so how to write this? 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Then constant to c. So it is 2 by 3 into x cube. So 3 into cos x. And 5 into 1 by 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. So 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 by 3 x power 3 by 2, then constant c is the answer. Question number 18. So that is integral secant x into secant x plus tan x. Then dx. And now what is that first term? Secant into secant is secant square x into dx. Second one, secant x into tan x into dx, right? What is integral secant square x dx? That can be written as tan x. And integral secant x tan x can be written as secant x. So answer is secant x plus tan x or tan x plus secant x plus constant c. Now question number 19. So given value is integral secant square x by cosecant square x into dx, right? And secant square x can be written as 1 by cos square x, correct? So this is one value. And cosecant square x can be written as 1 by sin square x. Okay. Now how to write this? This can be written as 1 by cos square x. And coming to denominator, cosecant square can be written as 1 by sin square. Then dx. And this whole value can be written as sin square x by cos square x into dx. That can be written as tan square x into dx. But there is no formula in integration, means direct formula for that. But in trigonometry we have one formula, that is 1 plus tan square x equal to secant square x, right? Now what is the value of tan square x? That can be written as secant square x minus 1. So this can be written as secant square x minus 1 into dx, right? So what is that first value? Integral secant square x into dx minus integral dx. So both are direct formulas. Integral secant square x dx can be written as tan x. And what is integral dx? That is x. Then constant to c. Question number 20. That is integral 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x. Now first term is 2 by cos square x into dx minus integral 3 into sin x divided by cos square x, again dx. Now 2 into integral 1 by cos square can be written as secant square x. So sin by cos x into 1 by cos x. Sin by cos x is tan x and 1 by cos x is secant x, right? So what is integral secant square x dx? That can be written as tan x. And the integral tan x into secant x dx can be written as secant x, then constant to c. Okay, now question number 21. This is MCQ. The antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x equals. Okay, antiderivative is nothing but integration, right? So how to write it? Root x plus 1 by root x into dx. Then integral x power 1 by 2 dx. And this can be written as integral 1 by x power 1 by 2 into dx. Again it is integral x power 1 by 2 dx. If we write x power 1 by 2 in numerator, we get minus 1 by 2. So x power n, right? What is integral x power n dx? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And that is also same, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Then constant to c. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. 1 by 3 by 2 can be written as 2 by 3. Then x power 3 by 2. And here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2. And it is also 1 by 2. Then constant. Then how to write it? 2 by 3, x power 3 by 2. Then 1 by 1 by 2 is 2 into x power 1 by 2, then constant to c. So where it is 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2, 2 into x power 1 by 2 plus constant means answer is c. Okay, this is the last question in this exercise. Question number 22. So if d by dx of f of x equal to 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4 such that f of 2 equal to 0, then f of x is. So if I apply integrating on both sides, then only we get that value. Okay, means it is derivative, na? Anti-derivative is nothing but integral, right? So how to write that one? So first time given function. What is that? Given that d by dx of f of x. So it is 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4. Now integral d by dx of f of x, right? And coming to this side, integral 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4 into dx. See here, if we want just write a dx, okay. Now this dx gets cancelled. Again, integral symbol, derivative symbol, both are gets cancelled. Then what is the remaining value here? F of x, okay. And coming to this 4 into integral x cube dx, 3 into, if you write in numerator, we get minus 4. Okay. Now this is integral x power n dx. That can be written as x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here also same formula, but n is equal to minus 4, right? So minus 4 plus 1, then constant. So 4 into x power 4 by 4 minus 3, x power minus 3 by minus 3 plus constant, right? So 4 gets cancelled, minus 3 gets cancelled. So it is x power 4. And this minus plus, na? 3 cancelled. Then 1 by x cube, then constant 6. That is equation number 1. And what is the value here? Functional value f of 2 equal to 0 is given, right? So given that f of 2 equal to 0. So from equation number 1, so this is f of 2, but here it is f of x, na? So if you want, just write here f of x equal to. Now if we substitute x equal to 2 here, then we get f of 2. Otherwise do one thing. So write, put x equal to 2 in equation number 1. So how to write it? X equal to 2 means f of 2. So it is 2 power 4 and it is 1 by 2 cube. Then constant 6. But what is the value of f of 2? That is 0. So it is 0. And 2 power 4 means 16. Then it is 8. Then plus constant. Now LCM is 8, right? And 16 into 8, 128 plus 1, then constant 6. So 128 plus 1 is 129 divided by 8 plus 6. So C equal to minus 129 divided by 8. Now substitute C value in equation number 1. So it is f of x equal to, so what is the first term? X power 4, right? And 1 by x cube, right? And then C value is minus 129 divided by 8. That is the answer.